Another day, another dollar. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, the best part about wearing makeup is being able to take it off. And that's what we're doing here today. Okay, bestie? My skin, and also, let me tell you, having a skincare routine is so important. The better your skin looks, the better your makeup will look. That's the best primer you can have, girl. Sometimes my skin is 50-50, sometimes she's pretty, sometimes she's beautiful, sometimes she's a model, she looks like Linda Evangelista, and sometimes she's okay. But either way, we're still going to slay. We're still going to be consistent to our lymphatic drainage. I will see you guys in... Oh, wait, that's not the end. And anyways, I like to moisturize. It's so important. It will make you look 1,000 years younger. Okay, I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.